All right, we have here a Quantum Edge HD. This is the heavy duty machine. This one has a 450-pound weight capability. This chair is practically new. So if you're looking for a heavy duty power chair, this one also has a seat lift. So it has seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric feet. 4 electrical functions on this chair. This chair has 4 miles, so it was delivered, probably used for a week, 4 miles. It also has lights on the fenders and other goodies which I'll cover as we go along. But all the function on this chair have to be worked through the joystick. So if you want the seat to raise, tilt, or recline on the legs, it has to be done through here. So you go to the button on the left and you keep pushing it forward until you see a picture of the seat. When you see a picture of the seat on the screen, whatever is yellow is what the function is going to be. So I'm going to try to get it just to yellow on the bottom. Yellow cushion right here, just on this cushion right here. That's the seat lift. So if I pull the joystick back, your seat's going to start going up, okay? So you're going to start. Okay, so by the time you're all the way up, you'll be at and the chair will still drive with the seat elevated. There's a safety belt also here. So when the seat's elevated, just to give you an idea, you can still drive the chair at a decent speed. I can't show you in here, but it does move really good with the seat elevated. So while we have the seat elevated, let's look at the base. We can see the structure of the seat lift, the armature. We can see the actuator right here for the seat lift. And if you look at the base, it's a gorgeous base. Beautiful blue color. We have 14-inch non-marking wheels. They will not mark your floor. Caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You can see the suspension. There's 4 of these shocks all the way around, 1 in each corner, which give you a really good suspension, okay? You have these anchor points right here, 1 here and 1 here. This is where you secure your chair to your lift if you're going to transport this chair in your van or on your lift. You have 4 of these, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You've got these HD motors. These are heavy duty motors for each wheel. You have one on this side and you have another one on the opposite side. If I want to push this chair right now weighs 450 pounds. So just to let you know, it's a heavy chair, 450 pounds because it's all metal and motors. If I want to push it, there's no way I could do it. But if I turn the power off, and the reason you want the power off on your joystick, you want no pullback on your motors. Then you just push the yellow button down, and what that does, it unlocks your wheels. So you have to do both motors on both sides, and you can see how the wheel is unlocked now. When you're done though, make sure you put it back in gear so you can drive it again. So I'm going to turn the power back on. And while the seat, I'm going to bring the seat back down. So as the seat's going down right now, we're going to talk about the joystick. This is a Swing Away Joystick. So you can swing the joystick away from the front. So you went from here to here. So you just got 9 inches of more space. So if you need to get to a dining table, it's a good thing to have a Swing Away joystick. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side and it'll swing to the left side, okay? The second feature I'm going to show is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt is the base right here, this bottom base. When that goes back, it's going to take the legs, it's going to take the back because they're all connected together. This is called the electric tilt. So if you need good circulation, there you go. Now watch the feet also. I'm going to move the feet up. Oop, the other way. So these feet are adjustable. So if you're 5 feet tall, 6'2", we can let these legs out manually. They'll still be electric, but we can adjust them to your height and your weight. As a matter of fact, this whole chair is adjustable. So if you needed some really good circulation, that would be a little extreme. But what you could do, you could be halfway tilted. So let me show you if it's halfway tilted. These are amazing chairs. These are I call them sofas on wheels. So here you go. So you're halfway tilted and your feet are still higher than your body, okay? So far we've covered 3 functions so far. The last one is the electric recline. So the electric recline is when the back goes back. So So I'm holding the button going back now. This is called the electric recline. So if you're laying down all the way on this chair, let's see how far it'll go. This is what it would look like if you were laying down in this chair all the way back down. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the back up and the legs down at the same time. So I got the feet yellow and the back yellow, and I'm using the joystick back and forth to bring everything back to normal. And I can stop anywhere I want, so you don't have to keep going. This is a great power chair. If you need a large power chair, this is a fantastic one. All right, so now I'm going to put it back in drive. We've covered the 12-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric leg, and the electric recline. Let's look around the chair, see what else we've got. I've noticed already this chair is loaded with extra goodies, custom stuff. This is a support for the arm. So right now, if I push on that arm does not give because it's got that support right here. You see it right there? And you put it back in here after you lift the arm. You have one on each side. So you have support arms. Also, you have on this chair, I'm going to raise this up so we can show you. All right, so it doesn't go any further than that, okay? So we have here lateral guards. You can probably see it better this way. So when you're in this chair, this keeps your knees from going out. These guards are fully adjustable. So you can see there's a track on here. There's 3 adjustments here. There's a height adjustment. So if you wanted these guards to be more in, more out, more this way, it's all adjustable. Just an amazing chair. So this keeps your knees on the foot plate, okay? You have the drink cup holder right here that can be removed. You also have a drink cup holder on this side. You have, the seat is 22 by 22. So if it's too big, let us know, we can adjust it. You have wings here. So when you're sitting in this large back, it kind of keeps you in the middle of the chair. These can be removed. If you don't want these on here, they can be removed. You've also got lights. Matter of fact, you can see the lights are on right now because of this button right here. So if I hit the button, no lights. Hit the button again, we have lights in front, and we have lights in the back. You can see the lights there through the, I'm gonna bring the safety belt back here. You can see the back lights. Also what you have with this chair, well I have it back here, let's look at back here. You have push bars, okay? So this chair is equipped with push bars. If you had to push it instead of pushing on the seat, you got push bars that are tied right to the frame. You also have back here an attendant control. I can drive this chair from here. So if you have a patient or a person who cannot drive, you need to move them around the house instead of having to push them, switch, hit the first button here, and it shuts that one off in front. And now I can drive the chair right from here. So whatever you can do in front, I can do back here with this joystick. So this is called an attendant control. It's on this chair already. When you're done using the attendant control, hit the button again, and then turn your power back up front, because you'll never have 2 drivers. You're gonna drive here or you're gonna drive there. Now we have the control back up front. This one does not work, and this one works now, okay? You have a fully adjustable, removable headrest. I think I've covered everything on the chair so far. When you charge this chair, you'll take your charger and you'll plug it right below your joystick right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. This chair has two big batteries in here. They're 75 amp batteries. They're really big batteries. This chair is supposed to give you around 15 miles on a battery charge. But folks, 15 miles, it all depends what kind of surface you're on, how heavy the user is, if you're going uphill in the grass, and how many of the functions you're using. So the 15 miles could be 10 miles. Or if you're not using any of the function and you're lightweight, it could be 18 miles. So that 15 miles is just a gauge, okay? So here we have the Quantum Edge HD Big Boy. This has a 450-pound weight capability. The electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric feet. It has the Swing Away Joystick. It has the lights. It has the reinforced arms. It has the lateral pads. It has the safety belt. It has the extra large seat. It has the wings for the seat for your chest. It has the drink cup holder, the adjustable headrest, and it has the attendant control. And this chair has 4 miles. So if you're looking for a heavy duty power chair, blue in color, this is a nice one. So this is the Quantum Edge HD with the 450-pound weight capability. The top speed is 4.5 miles an hour. These are high torque motors, so they're not as fast because of the weight of the chair and how heavy duty the motors are. But 4.5 miles an hour is the top speed I got here. Very easy to drive. So this chair has 4 miles. It's practically brand new. I'm going to elevate the seat right here just to show you what it looks like with the seat elevated. The seat is going up right now. So remember, when you use the seat lift, which is going up now, keep it on flat surface in your house, completely flat, not sidewalks where they're cracked. These are nice chairs, but you do have to take care of them. This is one of the few chairs where the seat's elevated where it'll still drive at a decent speed. There we go. Now I'm going to put it back in drive so you can see with the seat elevated what it looks like. So it still drives at about 3+ miles an hour, 3.2, 3.3 miles an hour with the seat elevated. So that's faster than walking speed. So this one here is fully loaded. It has the tilt, the seat lift, the electric legs. It has the recline, heavy duty motors, just a beautiful power chair. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.